This tool turns beginners into creators. Meet the Engraving Pen Kit. This awesome product has 42 accessories plus bonus stencils to get you started. Has everything you need. It is perfect for beginners and DIY project enthusiasts. This thing is awesome with the cordless design for easy portability and has a USB-C rechargeable battery that is included. Just plug right in and you're good to go with the battery icon as well. The powerful motor reaches 20,000 RPM, so you can engrave whatever you need with variable speed for different materials as well, so you can switch between gear 1 and 2. It works on wood, glass, metal, and plastic. You can grind, you can polish, and you can carve anything you need as well. This thing has a lightweight, ergonomic pen design and is perfect for gifts, crafts, and custom designs. And that was the Engraving Pen Kit. Turn anything you want into your project. Thanks for watching.